Welcome. Let's understand limit of supply between switchgear manufacturer and cable termination contractor for a gas-insulated switchgear, GIS. Next. As tabulated here, you can see, components should be provided by switchgear manufacturers are main circuit terminal, connection interface on GIS side, cable connection enclosure, enclosure flange, sealing, screws, washers, nuts and gas. While for cable termination contractor, components includes connection interface on cable side, insulator supplied with cable, insulator collar interface, and nonlinear resistors if required. Next. IEC 62271-209 covers the connection assembly of fluid-filled and extruded cables to gas-insulated metal enclosed switchgear, GIS, in single or three-phase arrangements, where the cable terminations are fluid-filled or dry-type and there is a separating insulating barrier between the cable insulation and the gas insulation of the switchgear. Next. Stay tuned with Electric Wave channel. We will discuss other technical stuff in upcoming videos.